On our radar is actually City Union Bank. Mr. Kamakodi, MD and CEO of the bank, is with us to take the conversation forward. And we're focusing on three key points. Of course, we want to understand whether the MSME segment will keep firing for the bank as well as it has in the last quarter. Their margins have been sustaining and they've been guiding for margins above 3.5%. So is that still on track? And of course, a quick check on the asset quality as well. They've said that it'll be negative net slippages for FY26. So they're still as optimistic. Let's find out. Mr. Kamakodi, thanks very much for joining in. I want to start by first getting a sense from you as a banker with such a big, change happening on GST across the board. And then there are second order effects and, third order effects. Does that improve your overall projections for the growth of the book? I think earlier when we spoke, you said that you're looking at a loan growth of mid-teens. Could it be higher? Could it be the high teens now, given what has happened?
See, there is definitely there is a possibility, and we are evaluating that, and we will give the exact strategy along with our second quarter results. We are in the process of making that happen. Looks like overall you are getting some oil into the growth engine for the economy as a whole, which would also directly getting involved into the improving overall growth of both GDP, also getting translated into the credit growth. So we are evaluating, and the initial estimates looks positive, and exact numbers and how we are going to do, we are in the process of making our things to take a proper shape. We will be in a position to announce that along with our second quarter results. We will take some time to crystallize that, how we are going to execute that and what we are going to do. And we will overall, this is extremely positive compared to whatever we started the year with.
Sir, I understand that you can't give us a specific number for your bank right now. You'll only get to it in the next couple of days. But system-wide, credit growth has been pretty anemic. It's been either high single digits, about 10% odd. System-wide for this year, FY26, across the banking system, what should be the loan growth expectation? There are RBI cards which are flowing through the system, and now there's the big GST change.
Yeah, overall, our expectation for the system as a whole, it should be improving to maybe to start with teen, maybe lower teen. Earlier, it was just 10 to 12% was the number which was getting repeatedly spoken about. But now it looks we should be in a position to see that, slightly another 1 or 2% incremental thing because of both in terms of the the loans given to the businesses and also the loans given to the individuals. So overall, we can expect that, and our strategy always had been to have 2 to 3% over and above that of the growth of the industry. I think we should be able to have that. We had a very decent growth in the first quarter, and that momentum is continuing. We hope it will be sustaining, and probably it will inch up is what we expect on growth front now.
Mr. Kamakodi, good morning. And this is exactly what Sanjeev Bajaj told us as well. He actually mentioned exactly these two segments, MSME and consumer segments, personal loans in that segment. These two are what percentage of your book?
See, the MSME sector is close to 40% of our book, and we are not very active in consumption. And we also have a significant portion in, the MSME, commercial trading, wholesale and retail, agriculture and gold loan together constitute about 80% of that. In our overall loan book, at least 50% of our book is in the segments which is expecting a boost because of the recent announcements.
So within MSME, which is 40% of your book, you said, and in the first quarter, it showed a lot of traction. For the full year, what is your expectation from your MSME growth?
So that's what we had given is that our target is to maintain about a couple of percentage point over and above the growth rate of the industry, and that expectation, whatever we share, it continues. And as we expect the industry also to take at least 1 or 2% more because of the announcements, the same level of transformation or transfer may also happen in our case, and we are in the process of working out the nitty-gritties.
Okay. Quick word on margins, sir. Again, you've done better than most banks in terms of curtailing the pressure. And you've been talking about 3.5%. Are you on track with those projections?
Yeah, absolutely. As we shared during the, let's say, first quarter results, that could be a few basis point pressure in the second quarter, but the repricing of the term deposits gets complete from the third quarter onwards. It will get offset in the third and fourth quarter. Year as a whole, as we had, let's say, conveyed, our expectation is that we are very well on the track, and we are very much positive on maintaining the margin for the year as a whole.
Mr. Kamakodi, we'll leave it there, sir. Thank you very much for joining us. It's a pleasure and good luck to you. And I hope not just for you, but for the industry as well, which happened, lifts system-wide growth. Sanjeev